Diamond ironing system. With a professional diamond ironing system in your home, ironing is no longer a problem. Easy to store and maneuver, whether open or closed, thanks to its wheels. Height adjustable in 9 different positions with safety lock. Professional iron, aluminum-based and cork handle, also includes silicone mat for iron support. Steam generator with continuous recharge system. The Teflon base does not let damage the clothes, even in the most delicate fabrics. Includes heated ironing board with suction and insufflation functions, super sanitizing steam that eliminates mites, viruses and bacteria, functions automatically activated via the iron knob or continuous switch. Extra accessories: sleeve board, vertical brush with heated plate, heated brush with synthetic bristles, hose with cleaning tips. Learn more at www.purevapo.pt.